So on this fateful day, I decided to retouch my hair. Hear me out. It's not as if I cannot go to the salon to retouch my hair, but because I want to, especially our dear sisters in diaspora, people outside Nigeria, or people outside their location where they can do some things at a very affordable price. Me being the queen of updates, I don't like to, gatekeep information. I just want to show you how you can retouch your own hair by yourself at home. Reach for this one. Yeah, I do this by myself. And I like to do most things by myself, just that I may get improved. I'll get myself busy and also learn how to do it for my daughters in case we find ourselves in diaspora or out of our location. Kindly watch through as I retouch my hair, okay? And I hope this video will help you do yours too. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share, or even comment, okay? Thank you, and I love you. Kindly keep watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
wait for the hair to relax properly before washing it off. Say 20-25 minutes, depending on the texture of your hair and how you endure pain. Some people when they put relax on their hair, just 10 minutes they are mad at it. But here, let's wait. See, I still have that small pain. And if you feel you need to stay a little bit longer, if the pain starts, you just use your hand like this and remove the relaxer. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky just